Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with day number 25. So originally with day number 25, I thought I was going to use some of these wood veneers, but it's not working out. Not with the photos I have and the space. Quiet Christmas day around here. We are actually going to be doing the majority of our holiday celebrating on the 1st of January, and I normally go through the 1st of January anyway with my book, but this year it's important because that's where our big Christmas celebration is going to be. So I'm going to just get this photo down because I want to use the whole thing, and that might be what I do here. I do have this 25 here and also that 25 there. So then I also like this, and the reason I like this is I'm thinking about using, actually maybe the gray paper would be better up here. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this down. Get that down there. And then I'm going to do that, and then this will go there. Oh, this would have been cute for yesterday, but I think it's too late for that. Yeah, but I will have scrapbooking to do for my grandkids, so maybe we'll get that on one of theirs. Okay, so then this will go on here. This is a this is my Christmas morning breakfast. Not exactly the healthiest thing to do. And a shirt that I made for myself for Christmas that I wore today. Still am wearing, actually. Then I found this, which I like because it kind of brings all the colors in. And I'm thinking I want this to go here for our 25. And then I'm thinking this for some journaling. Yeah, that feels good. Oh, I want some twine. Here's some twine. Thought I'd pulled some twine. So let's do this. I probably will cut that twine off on the other side a little bit because it's sticking out pretty far. I don't mind some sticking out, but not that far. Let's put this down here. Kind of judge here how far this is going to go. And then there. Love that top row peeking out like that. So let's see if I can get this. I don't want it going all the way up to this corner here, just a little bit below, but enough that the top row is hiding. Okay, so we have that. Now I have a banner or two here that I can use. Oh, here's a Merry Christmas. I think that should go right there. So what I'm going to do is put this down. And I may yet find a place that I want to add in. This needs to be trimmed just a little bit so I can have an idea. But I may yet find a place where I can, okay, we're going to add this, add the 25 in from the original kit. I did not get that sticker on straight, did I? Okay, so let's pull. This will be fun. We're going to pull this off. There we go. I have my old Cricut spatula, and I like to use that for this kind of a thing. Ooh, and I just broke the sticker. Okay, so this is unfortunately what happens. These are pretty thin. Can't really do much about it, so I think I'm going to just leave it. Oh, yeah, that's a bad break. Here's a sign that says, here's something that says milk and cookies. So I'm just going to throw this across the worst part of that break in the sticker. Okay. So now we do have some white up here. I don't think I need to use this, but I'm going to, since consistently I'm using these for numbers all over in my book, and there's nothing all that exciting going on here. Boy, I'm having a hard time today getting stuff straight. So let's do this. Okay, so there's that, this, and this. I want this to come down. I want it to tuck in the pocket but not be that long. Get rid of that. Then the question is, going to my stickers here, and I have hearts. I'm just going to see. Wonder, Santa Twinkle, December. Looking to see if I have. Okay. I'm looking for my other version of that. Maybe I didn't pull it out. Nope, I did. Here it is. Just gonna do In the Air There's a Feeling of Christmas here. I also like that it's white and gets a little bit more of that into this area. I'm going to make sure that it's not even with the top of this. And we'll just put it down there like that. And then I still have my green dots out here. And I think that would be a good addition to this page. And one there. Maybe another one down here, so we're kind of including this tag. Oh, let's get this up here. I think that was off camera. That tag, and then I need another one somewhere. Not sure. I think the medium size is the size to go with here. There we go. And then probably another one on the cookie and kringle, which is kind of it's a Danish pastry and sort of a tradition in my area of the Midwest. So then I think I'm going to go back to this size again here. Oh, here we go. Right there. That's good. Okay, guys, so this is the 25th of December. I'll get my journaling done, And then I will be back tomorrow with day number 26. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.